Hey everyone, welcome back to Dream Car. Today, we have an exciting video for you as we dive into the details of the highly anticipated 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. This iconic nameplate is making a stunning comeback, blending classic design with modern technology. So let's explore what makes this car a true dream for enthusiasts and casual drivers alike. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Karmann Ghia exudes timeless elegance with a contemporary twist. The car features a sleek, low-slung silhouette that pays homage to the original models from the 1950s and 60s, but with a modern aerodynamic design that enhances performance and efficiency. The front grille is minimalist yet bold, flanked by sharp LED headlights that give it an aggressive look, while the sculpted hood adds a sense of motion even when standing still. The curves along the sides are smooth and flowing, emphasizing its sporty stance. At the back, you'll notice a clean, integrated spoiler and slim LED taillights that wrap around the rear, reinforcing its vintage charm, but with a fresh, modern appeal. The car rides on 20-inch alloy wheels with a unique turbine design, which not only looks stunning but also improves handling. Moving inside, the 2025 Karmann Ghia offers a luxurious yet driver-focused interior. The cabin is crafted with premium materials. Think soft-touch leather, Alcantara accents, and brushed aluminum trims. The seats are ergonomically designed, offering both comfort and support, with heating and ventilation options. The dashboard is sleek, featuring a digital instrument cluster that displays vital information clearly and intuitively. Centered in the console is a large, high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system, compatible with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system that creates an immersive audio experience. Ambient lighting allows customization to suit your mood, and the overall design emphasizes minimalism with a touch of retro styling cues, like round air vents and vintage-inspired font choices. The interior space is surprisingly generous, offering ample legroom and cargo capacity, making it practical for daily driving or longer trips. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Karmann Ghia impresses with its turbocharged engine lineup. Under the hood, you will find a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, producing around 250 horsepower and 300 Nm of torque. This powertrain is paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, delivering quick, smooth shifts. The car features an adaptive suspension system, which adjusts damping for optimal ride comfort and handling precision. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating twisty mountain roads, the Karmann Ghia offers sharp steering, balanced weight distribution, and responsive braking. Volkswagen has also integrated advanced driver assist features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and parking sensors, making driving both fun and safe. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is positioned as a premium yet accessible classic revival. The base model starts at around $45,000, which is quite competitive considering its retro-modern design and advanced features. Higher trims with additional luxury packages, performance upgrades, and tech enhancements can push the price to about $55,000. Volkswagen's focus on value means you're getting a lot for your money. Rich styling, innovative technology, and impressive performance. So, in summary, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is a fantastic blend of vintage charm and modern engineering. It offers stunning aesthetics, a luxurious interior, exhilarating performance, and reasonable pricing for what it delivers. If you're a fan of classic cars with a contemporary touch, this might just be your dream car. Thanks for tuning in to Dream Car. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more detailed car reviews. Drop your comments below and tell us what you think about the new Karmann Ghia. Are you excited to see it on the roads? Until next time, drive safe and see you in the next review.